Welcome to MoveFit. What was that? Welcome to MoveFit Mama, your dance fitness blended with body weight strength training. Mwah! Made for mums at any age or stage of motherhood. All my routines on YouTube are completely free, so please do subscribe, like, share, put your notification bells on, watch my videos, do the thing to help me keep making more and more videos for you every single week. I'm going to start with a quick tutorial and then we're going to jump straight in. I don't always shake my tatas at you. Move number 1, elbow, 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 but there's also a knee invert there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, I did a little jump there. Entirely up to you if you want to do a jump. You can raise, you can stay, or you can do a little jump in between. Whichever is best for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move number 2. The kids are going to love this one. We're going to slide. Slide 1, 2, and then I call them crazy arms. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I really hope I pressed record. I did. Move number 3. We're going around the world. International lap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Nice and big. 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2. Hit. 5, 5, 6. It'd be useful if I got the moves right, wouldn't it? Ready? Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Round.
Everyone's trying to be the same.
1, 2, 3. Round.
Till I met you, I was on that
1,
wave.
2, 3.
But you really are something different. You do you, it must be nice. And I think it's
More
right
to
off
scale.
the name.
Slide. Oh yeah. Crazy. 1, 2, 3. Nice and big.
What really
1, 2,
matters
3.
is the
Intention
journey
with
that
those
we're
arms.
on. Yeah, riding with you,
Hit.
I'm finding out
Hit.
where I belong. I belong.
Round the world.
You're like
1,
a sunshine on a
1,
given good
2.
vibes any
Up.
anytime that you
Up.
want.
Round.
Pulling me out, never
Hit.
letting me
Hit.
down, and I
Up.
wanna make sure you know
Up.
it. You're like a sunshine on a given good vibes any
Up.
anytime that you
Up.
want. Can't believe that I found my sunshine.
Elbows.
Oh,
Round.
I was feeling so
You've got it.
yeah. I didn't know this could be possible. Alright, but you
Round.
really are something different.
Round.
You do you, just work
Get ready
it
to
out.
slide.
And I think it's rubbing off on me.
Disco vibe.
Oh yeah, step to the left, step to the right, do what you want. What really matters is the journey that we're on. Yeah, riding
Nice.
with you, I'm finally know where I belong.
Slide. Slide.
I belong.
1, 2, 3. Around the world.
You're like a sunshine on a given good vibes anytime that you roll. Pulling me out, never letting me down, and I wanna make sure you know it.
Yes.
You're like a sunshine
Ooh.
on a given good vibes anytime
So I'm
that
not
you
doing it.
roll.
I'm actually
Can't believe that I found my sunshine.
Keep going.
Like a sunshine on a given good vibes
Up.
anytime that you
Up.
roll.
Nice and big.
Never letting me down, and I wanna make sure you know it. You're like a sunshine on a given good vibes anytime that you roll. Can't believe that I found my sunshine. You're my sunshine.
That's it.